Most motor yachts at 49 feet give you the marina in the morning, the dock at dinner, and not much in between. The MY6 was engineered to break that pattern. Built in France by one of the most proven catamaran builders in the world, the MY6 is a power catamaran, stepped hulls, fiberglass construction, naval architecture by Andrieu Yacht Design, power, twin Volvo IPS 500 pod drives, 380 horsepower each, 760 combined, top end 18 knots, cruise at 16, range 357 nautical miles on 528 gallons of fuel. The IPS pod system also delivers joystick docking, full lateral control in any marina configuration. 49 feet overall, 22 feet of beam, draft at 4 feet 4. Deck layout runs foredeck lounge at the waterline, cockpit centered aft, Flybridge above. 3 distinct outdoor levels spanning the full length. 3 things that separate the MY6 from a monohull at this size. First, the catamaran platform. 22 feet of beam means near zero roll at anchor. Direct water entry from the hull, no ladder. Second, stepped hull construction. Steps reduce wetted surface at speed and improve fuel efficiency at cruise compared to a flat-bottomed cat hull. Third, the Volvo IPS 650 option, 480 horsepower each, for buyers who want the performance configuration. Below decks, 3 cabins, 3 private heads, owner's suite amidships, the most stable position on the boat, 2 queen doubles aft. Interior specification by Andriani Design, clean European fit and finish throughout. Bottom line, the MY6 is a purpose-built open water platform designed for extended passages, exposed anchorages, and conditions where a monohull would have you second-guessing the plan. For the complete spec sheet and availability on the Fountaine Pajot MY6, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. Every spec, every detail.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.